What if I told you that the boy everyone ignored, the boy who cried alone every night, the boy who almost gave up on life, would one day become stronger than everyone who doubted him? This is not just a story. This is for every person hiding pain behind a fake smile, for every silent fighter battling depression, loneliness, and fear, completely alone. And if you're struggling right now, listen carefully, because this story could change your life. There was a boy named Ethan. Every morning, he woke up exhausted, not physically, mentally. He smiled around people, but inside, he felt empty. Nobody understood his pain. His friends disappeared. His family thought he was just lazy. And every time he tried to explain his feelings, people said, "Be a man. Stop overthinking. You're too weak." Day by day, he started believing those words. He stopped trusting himself, stopped dreaming, stopped living. One night, sitting alone in darkness, Ethan whispered, "Maybe the world would be better without me." And for the first time in his life, he almost gave up. The next morning, Ethan made one small decision. Not a huge decision, not a life-changing miracle, just one simple promise. I will not give up today. That day, he went for a walk alone. He listened to motivational speeches. He started reading books about discipline and mindset. Slowly, he realized something powerful. Pain can destroy a person, or pain can build a warrior. Every day, he improved himself little by little. While others slept, he worked on his mind. While others complained, he stayed focused. And even when nobody believed in him, he started believing in himself. Months passed. Ethan became mentally stronger, not because life became easier, but because he became stronger than his excuses. The same boy who once cried alone at night started inspiring people around him. People began asking, "How did you become so strong?" But they never saw the pain behind the strength. They never saw the lonely nights, the silent battles, the moments he fought tears and fear completely alone. Ethan learned the greatest lesson of his life. Your hardest battles often create your strongest version. So, if you are struggling right now, if you feel lonely, if life feels heavy, remember this: the strongest fighters are not always loud. Sometimes, the strongest fighter is the person who keeps going silently. One more day, one more step, one more fight, and one day, your pain will become your power. Never give up, because your story is not over yet. Outro. Like, subscribe, and share this story with someone who needs motivation today.